We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1, my brother. Now sengikhohle igama mfowethu kanti uqeda ukumtshela akodwa njani.
Igama
Simphiwe mfowethu. Liphakaniya uthini mntaka baba?
Let's break the jigsaw puzzle and rebuild it again.
Yes.
We are going to arrange it.
Yeah.
Tactical approach and it's part of the game, right?
Definitely.
Fine. And let's look at how Pirates tried to approach the game.
Yes.
How they tried to approach the game is that let's not overpack our midfield. Let's invert Umremi, no Apolis to come and become our supporting 10 weight.
Yes.
By so doing, we allow Usbilibili, Nondaba to press forward. To press forward.
Yes.
However, in the second half, why? Because whenever we let Undaba and Usbilibili press,
yes.
Usema and Uzulu, they are new center back pairing. I can't blame them.
Yes.
But Bavula too much.
Yeah.
All the time, Pezulu. We need to rely Usema do something for us. So that's the tactical approach that we hoped to get. Let's receive the ball, our number 10s, let's press the ball as much as we can, so that I'm a second ball up. Because if you can look, these people were sitting back.
Yes.
They were waiting for Pirates to do something.
Yeah.
And Pirates, whenever Pirates did something, in Durban City, they would be scared. Okay, what must you do? Instead, they fill the box.
Yeah.
Once their box is packed, Pirates cannot shoot. They rely on touching the ball.
Yeah.
Let's touch in the Umbata is not number 6.
Yeah.
Umbata number 8.
Number 8, yes.
But Umbata shite abu open so you.
Ukwenza konke manje. Number 6.
Umbata dala uZulu no
Siyama.
Umbata becomes an additional number 6.
He's a collector.
He's a collector.
Yeah.
Star
player.
Hotman ngicela ngilalele. Uyamazi uKamhelo Mkocho? Yamazi Kamhelo Mkocho?
La nangu phela ugcine ku Captain Cities
Hotman bheka Mukubudi.
Yeah.
Mark this date ingakhi namhlanje?
E8 August 2026.
uKamhelo Mkocho akho number 8 eFM Ward.
Yes.
Bheka uKamhelo Mkocho ukhona manje la Pirates. Ukamelo Mkocho wethu manje uchaphela Mukubudi. The boy is not scared. Well receive ibhola phakamisa ikhanda.
Uyaskena nangale.
Ukhumbuza uSlepe, amazi uSlepe. uSlepe akadinga ibhola inyaweni udlala ngentamo.
Simple Slepe.
Maka receiver uSlepe siyaphuma. Umkhumbuzi that's what he was doing. Then come to Durban City. They are dangerous bona to some extent.
Very dangerous.
I'll show you why. Durban City, it's just with the Pirates yakwazi win ama second ball and yakwazi recover. They're the best in recovery ball. But asiyeke le. Durban City, they knew that okay. Kahle badlala ngama number 683.
Yeah.
Bathathe uSirino.
Yes.
Bamenza as a false winger kancane.
Yeah.
But uSirino mangabheka bekhatha inside.
Yeah,
aba in front of ama number 6. Then ubheka umjita unodada. Asingabheki ngokufavor man. Asingabheki ngokufavor. Nale ntwana lethi Pirates is just a name. The boy played. Besimrasela la mu.
Kodwa manje akana njalo.
Uyabheka wenzani?
Yeah.
Focus akise game. That's why I say game phela wakhala, and I understand why, because remember that ngikhulumile manje ukhuluma I'm expected to perform. But I did perform, but my team let me down. There's nothing they could do. But Durban City umkhithi is building something lapha. Akazitholela number 9 oGrandi Morris, that's why he choosing vice.
Kodwa uzamile Morris.
Strikers bambi ball
defensive striker
forward. Umuthuma wa mara siyeke. Beka ukampani lungu makafika wenzani? Man.
Dangerous.
Ngathi singayiphula le jigsaw phasi indaba isikhathi sincane mara beka ukampani lungu mangeni wenzani? Ukampani lungu understands that I'm covered lapha because umbatha uhleza semva kwethu. Mina noHositsile will build.
Umsebenzi wethu kuya phambili.
Will build ukuthi C2. Normally mina mangiluza iball second ball thathwa uyalfaka. Angithola. And ukampani lungu he was stuck kule position. That's why goal imthola kanjani. Siyalwina. Omunye umuntu bekazwenzani? Beka pressure adlale emuva ukuthi ngifuna upase futhi bona masiluza ngikhona ukuthi sidlale futhi. But yena umile position ukuthi malifika uyalishaya. That's how we won the game.
Wenza leyo.
Maroza ngitshele Khotman. iPirates for the last 5 years my win first game yakwenzakala. He's 3 MTN 8 nje.
MTN 8
akaza win first game yaphuma. iPirates either ukuthi idliwe ayiphume semifinalini iphuma first round manje leke
ngeke isaphuma
hayi bhaliwe
No, my brother.
And ngizwile bathandaza bayilila manje. Mabe iqiniso. Asiphelile.
No, my brother, let me tell you this. You talk football.
We
Like
talk
our name.
football SA.
Now you talk football.
Thank
So
you.
we appreciate that. We are looking forward to more analysis from you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.